Here are 5 leading domestic embroidery machine manufacturers in China, known for their innovation, high-quality products, and strong competitiveness in both domestic and international markets. 1. Zhejiang Yulong Sewing Equipment Co., Ltd. Founded in 2001, Yulong is a major producer of multi-head computer embroidery machines under the brand name Yumei. The company integrates R&D, design, production, and sales with a focus on high-tech solutions. Yulong employs over 600 staff, including 67 R&D professionals, and has earned numerous certifications, including ISO 9001 and CE. The company has received multiple industry awards and plays a key role in setting industry standards. It is recognized as one of China's top embroidery machine manufacturers and a leading exporter of high-quality products. 2. Baolun Computerized Embroidery Machinery Co., Ltd. Established in 2003 in Guangdong, Baolun specializes in high-end computerized embroidery machines. Known for its innovation, Baolun's CBL brand holds over 20 patents. Its product range includes high-speed flat embroidery machines, sequin embroidery machines, and laser embroidery machines, all of which are CE certified. Baolun is a recognized high-tech enterprise and is known for its commitment to continuous improvement and customer satisfaction, with its machines widely used in apparel, home textiles, and other industries. 3. Shanggong Fuyi, specializing in flexible material applications, Shanggong Fuyi focuses on cutting plus sewing processes. The company offers complete solutions, including software, machinery, and electronic controls, and serves global clients across industries like apparel, automotive, and medical. Known for innovation, Shanggong Fuyi leads in the development of Industrial 4.0 solutions, providing cutting-edge technology in laser cutting, ultrasonic welding, and CAD software, among others. The company strives to improve the manufacturing capabilities of its customers. 4. Juji Jinyu Mechanical and Electrical Manufacturing Co., Ltd. Founded in 2002, Jinyu is a high-tech manufacturer of computerized embroidery machines, including flat, sequin, chain stitch, and quilting machines. Its products are widely used in industries such as apparel and textiles, and are exported to countries including India, Pakistan, and South America. Committed to quality first, service foremost, Jinyu has built a strong reputation for its reliable products and customer service, earning a solid position in both domestic and international markets. 5. Zhejiang Xingsheng Technology Co., Ltd. Established in 2002, Xingsheng is a leading player in the global embroidery machine market. It specializes in the R&D, production, and sales of embroidery machines and parts. With a production capacity of over 6,000 units annually, Xingsheng has earned over 330 patents, including 57 invention patents. The company's products serve industries such as apparel, automotive, and healthcare, and it operates in over 80 countries. Xingsheng is committed to continuous innovation and has formed strategic partnerships with global technology leaders. These companies have earned the trust of both domestic and international customers by offering high-quality products, stable performance, and flexible customization options, driving the growth of China's embroidery machine industry.